Buckle up your seatbelts, because today we're embarking on an epic quest through the digital wilderness to uncover 11 mind-blowing gadgets that are taking the online market by storm. From cutting-edge tech to ingenious designs, these gadgets are truly on another level, offering unique features and functionalities that will revolutionize your life. These are hidden gems and must-have gadgets that are pushing the boundaries of what's possible. But before we dive in, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're ready to join us on this ride. And remember, all the links to these incredible gadgets are available in the description below for easy access. Alrighty then, let's get this gadget party started. The first gadget we got here is the Delta Faucet HydroRain. This nifty little gadget is designed to be your 2-in-1 shower head. This innovative design combines the luxury of a rain can with the versatility of a hand shower, offering you the best of both worlds. You can use them together or separate them. And don't worry about the hand shower falling off. Thanks to the magnetic docking feature, it ensures the hand shower stays securely in place when not in use. Whether you prefer a gentle rainfall or a powerful massaging spray, this faucet offers multiple spray options to suit your preferences. What about installation, you ask? Don't stress it. It's easily installable to a standard shower arm without any plumbing alterations. Plus, with Delta's WaterSense label, you can enjoy a luxurious shower experience while conserving water. DJI has built a reputation for crafting top-tier drones, and the DJI Mini 4 Pro is no exception to their legacy of exceptional design. Compact and portable, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is tailor-made for effortless travel, offering enthusiasts the freedom to explore the skies with ease. Its lightweight and compact design ensure it won't hog precious space during your adventures. With its unparalleled shooting capabilities, the DJI Mini 4 Pro delivers stunning visual content in 4K 60 frames per second HDR resolution. From breathtaking sunrise and sunset scenes to captivating night shots, this drone ensures impressive clarity and detail in every frame. With support for both horizontal and vertical shooting, the DJI Mini 4 Pro offers versatility for a range of creative possibilities. Featuring omnidirectional obstacle sensing technology, this drone provides peace of mind as it detects and avoids obstacles from all directions, minimizing the risk of collisions. Packed with a plethora of features and options, the DJI Mini 4 Pro is a must-have for drone enthusiasts looking to elevate their aerial photography and videography game. The FLEXISPOT exercise bike seamlessly integrates exercise with productivity, offering users the opportunity to stay active while getting work done. This versatile desk bike seamlessly combines the functionality of an exercise bike with the practicality of a standing desk, providing a spacious surface to accommodate your laptop, notebooks, and mobile phone. It's ideal for safeguarding your health and staying in shape while working remotely. Just because you're busy doesn't mean you can neglect your health. The bike also offers ultra-quiet pedaling, making it perfect for multitasking activities like watching YouTube, TV, or browsing the web while you work without making a sound. Its user-friendly design ensures comfort for users of all heights, with a pneumatic adjustment lever that allows for easy height customization of the desk seat. Additionally, users have the flexibility to adjust the resistance level to suit their fitness preferences and goals. The Grandfalls Pressure Washer G20 is a versatile cleaning tool designed to revolutionize your outdoor cleaning routine. Featuring a unique locking mechanism, this pressure washer enables multiple fixed rotating angles, ensuring stable and steady cleaning without any shaking during use. The retractable system not only facilitates easy storage, but also protects the pressure hose from kinks, snags, and tears, simplifying the rewinding and unwinding process. With its wall-mounted design and customizable 180 degrees bracket, this washer offers optimal space saving for your cleaning needs. The gadget offers various washing modes tailored to your specific requirements and features a convenient all-in-one storage design to neatly organize the hose and other essential components, ensuring a tidy space. Plus, with the Total Stop System feature, this pressure washer automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, saving energy and prolonging the lifespan of the equipment. Here is another drone option for you. Meet the HOVERAir X1 self-flying camera. What's special about this drone is that it comes with advanced tracking algorithms and a following speed of up to 15 miles per hour. This Follow Me drone becomes your personalized cameraman, effortlessly tracking your movements during cycling, skateboarding, and various sports activities. Weighing a mere 4.41 ounces and boasting a foldable design, the HOVERAir X1 is lighter than an iPhone, making it the best travel companion for any adventure. With its simple one-click takeoff feature and pre-programmed flight paths, the HOVERAir X1 offers hands-free flying and precise control for creating captivating content. It's an indispensable ally for vloggers, hikers, bikers, and adventurers alike. Next on the list is a gadget that will take your car experience to the next level. If you ever needed a place to keep your food while watching a show on your phone, then the Macally car cup holder tray is just for you. This tray offers convenience and versatility for your on-the-go lifestyle. With an adjustable base that fits a wide range of cup sizes, it ensures a secure and scratch-free hold with its rubber arms. Its 360 degrees rotating food tray and swivel joint offer customizable positioning, allowing you to adjust the tray to your preferred angle. With its generous 9-inch tray size, it provides ample space for your snacks, while also offering extra storage room for your phone, keys, and wallet. If you're ever on the road and can't find a dryer for your clothes, then you might want to take this with you. Introducing the Morus Zero Portable Dryer. This dryer revolutionizes laundry drying with its cutting-edge technology, capable of drying a shirt in just 15 minutes. Ideal for apartment and RV living, this dryer is a time-saving and space-efficient solution that fits seamlessly into any lifestyle. Weighing just 28.7 pounds, it's effortlessly portable, making it easy to move around and adapt to your needs, even in narrow spaces. It has 8 drying modes and no installation needed. You just plug it in and start immediately. This dryer not only eliminates odors, but also attracts lint and dust, ensuring your laundry comes out fresh and clean every time. Equipped with a stainless steel drum that rotates in both directions to prevent tangling, it handles everything from delicate silk to pet products, leaving your laundry soft and fluffy. We've mentioned projectors before, but none can compete with the versatility of this one. This mini projector redefines versatility with its 90-degree rotatable lens, effortlessly adapting to any room layout, whether it's small, large, or oddly shaped. From projecting onto walls, ceilings, or floors, this projector offers unparalleled flexibility, ensuring you get the perfect viewing angle every time. Equipped with a built-in battery and Harman Kardon speaker, this projector is a true portable powerhouse, delivering up to 4 hours of movie playback. It weighs only 0.72 kilograms and comes with a convenient carry bag and tripod-free design, making it the perfect hassle-free solution for on-the-go entertainment. Not only that, but it can also project screen sizes ranging from 30 to 100 inches, making it suitable for any space, whether it's the kitchen, living room, or bedroom. Plus, features like Auto Keystone will ensure distortion-free projections, while smart connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB Type-C offer seamless integration with your favorite devices for an immersive viewing experience. The Odyssey OLED G9 takes gaming and entertainment to new heights with its cutting-edge technology and immersive design. Powered by the advanced Neo Quantum Processor Pro, every frame on the OLED panel is meticulously analyzed and optimized for unparalleled quality, resulting in vibrant colors, rich shades, and striking contrasts that bring your favorite content to life like never before. With a screen as wide as 2 quad high-definition monitors and 1800R curvature, it envelopes your field of vision, drawing you deeper into the action and putting you squarely in the shoes of your character. With lightning-fast 0.03 milliseconds response time, HDMI 2.1, and DisplayPort connections, you'll stay ahead of the competition with a blistering 240 Hz refresh rate. AMD FreeSync ensures smooth, stutter-free gameplay, while the gaming hub provides instant access to streaming services and consoles, all powered by Samsung's advanced game streaming technology. Plus, stay in control with the intuitive on-screen display, which allows you to adjust settings and monitor performance without ever leaving your game screen. With built-in speakers and seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, the Odyssey OLED G9 takes your gaming setup to the next level. Here's another gadget from Samsung that will make cleaning so much easier and less tiresome. Experience the ultimate in cleaning convenience with the Samsung Bespoke Jet AI Vacuum Cleaner. Boasting an impressive Hexajet 2.0 motor, this vacuum delivers up to 280 air-watt of suction power for a faster, more efficient clean. Plus, with its lightweight design, you can easily maneuver it around your home with ease, ensuring every corner is thoroughly cleaned. As for the battery life, this gadget ensures up to 100 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. And how can AI be used for a vacuum cleaner, you ask? The AI cleaning mode automatically adjusts suction based on floor type, optimizing performance whether on hardwood or carpet. It even maximizes battery runtime, ensuring you get the most cleaning time between charges. With the all-in-one clean station, you can say goodbye to dirty hands. The vacuum automatically empties and closes the dustbin, while AirSpin Edge technology efficiently removes dirt and debris. And with its premium finish and color options, this vacuum is as stunning as it is functional, making it a standout addition to any home. Working out on the go has never been easier thanks to the Unitree PUMP Pro, the ultimate on-the-go gadget for resistance training. Offering a range of resistance levels from 4.4 to 44 pounds, this innovative device eliminates the hassle of traditional elastics. Simply adjust the resistance with a tap of the app to customize your workout to perfection. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced fitness enthusiast, the PUMP Pro adapts to your needs, allowing you to combine multiple units for increased resistance and efficiency. Diversify your training regimen with 6 distinct modes. Each mode offers a unique challenge to keep your workouts engaging and effective. You can explore over 100 free videos and courses within the PUMP app to master each movement with proper form and technique. You can even track your progress effortlessly with the app's comprehensive workout data feature, recording your reps, sets, and calories burned. With its compact and lightweight design, the PUMP Pro is your go-to fitness companion, allowing you to achieve a full-body workout anytime, anywhere.